Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the topic of earning money from credit cards. Many of us use credit cards on a daily basis, but did you know that you can actually earn money from them? Yes, you heard that right. In this video, we will explore some of the best ways to earn money from credit cards and how you can take advantage of these opportunities. Part 1, Cashback Rewards. One of the most popular ways to earn money from credit cards is through cashback rewards. Many credit card companies offer cashback rewards on purchases made using their credit cards. The cashback amount can vary from 1% to 5% of the purchase amount, depending on the credit card company and the type of purchase. To maximize your cashback rewards, you should look for credit cards that offer high cashback rates on purchases you make regularly. For example, if you spend a lot on groceries, look for a credit card that offers high cashback rewards on grocery purchases. You should also be aware of the cashback categories and any restrictions that apply. Some credit cards offer higher cashback rates for certain categories, such as dining or travel, but may have limits on how much you can earn in a month or year. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before applying for a credit card. Part 2, Sign-up bonuses. Another way to earn money from credit cards is through sign-up bonuses. Many credit card companies offer sign-up bonuses to new customers who meet certain spending requirements within a specified time period. The sign-up bonus can range from a few $100s to even thousands of dollars, depending on the credit card company and the spending requirement. To take advantage of sign-up bonuses, you should look for credit cards that offer high sign-up bonuses and make sure you can meet the spending requirement within the specified time period. You should also be aware of any fees or annual fees associated with the credit card. Part 3, Referral Programs. Referral programs are another way to earn money from credit cards. Many credit card companies offer referral bonuses to customers who refer new customers to their credit cards. The referral bonus can range from a few dollars to even hundreds of dollars, depending on the credit card company and the type of credit card. To earn money through referral programs, you should look for credit cards that offer referral bonuses and refer your friends and family members to those credit cards. You should also make sure that the credit card is a good fit for your friends and family members before referring them. Part 4, Credit Card Churning. Credit card churning is a strategy used by some people to earn money from credit cards. Credit card churning involves signing up for multiple credit cards, taking advantage of their sign-up bonuses and cashback rewards, and then canceling the credit cards before the annual fee is due. While credit card churning can be a lucrative strategy, it can also be risky if not done properly. You should be aware of the impact of credit card churning on your credit score and make sure you can meet the spending requirements for the sign-up bonuses. Part 5, Conclusion and Tips. In conclusion, earning money from credit cards is possible if you use them wisely. To maximize your earnings, you should look for credit cards that offer high cashback rewards and sign-up bonuses, and take advantage of referral programs. You should also be aware of any fees or annual fees associated with the credit cards and make sure you can meet the spending requirements for the sign-up bonuses.